Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys to check out Saving Star. This is usually just a reminder. Now, please remember, everybody has different deals than everybody else. But one thing I learned is that Saving Star and Checkout 51 are now kind of combined. So there are some deals that you do not want to add on Saving Star because most of the time you can repeat them or reset them on Checkout 51. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I am going to discontinue my Checkout 51 account, and then I'm going to redo it. I just got to figure out how I'm going to do that. But right here we got some great deals. All products, these are going to be pretty much money makers. So I would grab this deal before it goes away. I'm just letting you guys know. Here we got Snuggle products. Don't know why it keeps doing this. I can't see. I'm just doing it through my camera. Ricola, some butter, applesauce. I know they have these on Checkout 51 and Saving Star, so I kind of just wait until I buy it and then submit my receipt to Checkout 51 and see what happens. Yeah, so a lot of these are the same repeaters on Checkout 51, so they didn't really add very much. Sometimes I would go back and check later in the day because they might add some more stuff, but so far I'm not seeing anything, just the all. But definitely do that because that will be gone really fast. So I just wanted to share with you guys all the new deals on Saving Star, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.